Hello friends and welcome to Passion Cocoon. Today we'll be making a side dish of fish bhurji. We take a non-stick pan and let it heat. We then add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera onto the oil. We add half a medium-sized chopped onion. Two green chilies chopped. Once the onion is translucent, we will now add the masala. So here we add 1 teaspoon of jeera masala, 1 teaspoon of dhania powder or coriander powder, salt as per your taste, and the scrambled fish. I had already fried the fish and then scrambled it and added to the dish. Now we add the fresh coriander and mix everything well together. As easy as it looks, with this much, your dish will be ready. So here is your side dish of fish bhurji. Hope you liked it. Thank you.